Hello. As a Miele service partner, we often get asked why our customers' Blizzard bagless vacuum cleaners are not performing properly. There's a key filter in the machine that often is missed. To get to this filter, remove the dust bag compartment and look into the machine, and you'll see the filter at the rear. Simply use your two thumbs to rotate the filter slightly and pull the housing from the machine. You'll then see an arrow looking at a padlock symbol. Simply rotate to the unlock and pull the filter from the housing. Over a waste bin, brush the filter until the filter becomes clean and white, like demonstrated here. To reassemble the filter, place the filter back into the cartridge with the arrow pointing at the unlock symbol. Be sure to push firmly down and rotate to the lock position. Grab the handle, push back into the main housing of the vacuum and click into place. Refit your dust container and away you go. If your vacuum cleaner filter is beyond cleaning, you can order a replacement full cartridge from our website, which is C.R.Wood-Miele.co.uk. You can also order a full range of Miele accessories from our web store. Thanks for watching.